In today's video, I'll show you how to create marketing voiceovers with ElevenLabs so you can turn promotional scripts into clear, persuasive audio for ads, videos, and online content. If you're new to marketing voiceovers, the goal is simple. You want a voice that grabs attention quickly, sounds confident, and delivers your message in a way that feels engaging and professional. First, sign in to your ElevenLabs account and open the text-to-speech section. This is where you'll create your marketing voiceover. Next, prepare your marketing script. Keep it short, focused, and benefit-driven. A strong hook at the beginning is important because it immediately captures the listener's attention. Now choose a voice from the library. For marketing content, a confident, energetic, or persuasive voice usually works best, depending on your brand style. Once you've selected your voice, paste your script into the editor. Make sure your sentences are tight and clear, and avoid unnecessary wording so the message stays impactful. Before generating the audio, review your script for tone and clarity. Small adjustments in wording can make a big difference in how persuasive the final voiceover sounds. Now click the Generate button and let ElevenLabs convert your text into a professional-sounding voiceover. After it's ready, listen carefully to the result. If the tone feels too soft or too strong, you can switch voices or adjust the script and generate again until it matches your marketing goal. Once you're satisfied with the final audio, download it and use it in your ads, social media content, landing pages, or promotional videos. And that's how you create marketing voiceovers with ElevenLabs. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.